Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this MOLLE pouch, survival MOLLE pouch actually, that I want to just open it up with you guys because I can't believe that inside here there are more than 140 tools. I mean, not tools, but 140, more than 140 items. This could be the perfect gift for that, for survival, if you want to go like a hiking, camping, fishing, or just like want to keep it in your car. This could be a really good thing to have. And the best thing about this one is that since this is a MOLLE pouch, you can actually put it in your bike, you could put it in your belt, you could put it in your backpack, and many other ways because it comes with lots of Velcro straps that you can attach to any surface. So let's actually open it up right now and see what's inside. This is just insane. I was not expecting this to be this entire kit, this entire amount of things at all. First of all, let's talk about this shovel over here. This shovel was fitting inside of this bag. It's a foldable shovel, but you can see that this one, once you have it, is kind of like a really strong one. You kind of like adjust it from here, and it could be for like a trench, or it could be for setting up your tent or something like that. And then you just fold it like this and put it back inside again. That is, oh my god, that is so good. I still need to figure out how to fold it entirely, but I'm just like guessing that it's something, yeah, something like this. I need to put it inside. Then it comes with this multi-tool that I think, again, it's a fantastic thing. Just take a look at this one. It comes with everything. It comes with a tiny axe, with the hammer, and all the other ones right here, as well as this paracord in case that you need it for something. And of course, it also comes with a straw that is for water straw for oxygen. So you can actually use this one in a river or a lake or whatever you need in case, you know, this is a survival kit. And then take a look at this one, a tourniquet as well. Also, this knife over here, this pocket knife, I think it's also another really good one. And this is the part that it was kind of like mind-blowing to me. It comes with an entire first aid kit with everything you need inside. And just take a look at this one. In case I need to fish, it comes with a compass, it comes with forks, foldable forks, knives, and many other things inside this one that I think it could be the perfect survival kit for like a gift, or in case that you're into camping, hiking, fishing, or just like put it in your car in case that something happens or weather condition arouses as well. This one, it's a good one, super complete, more than 140 items and everything you need for like a survival kit inside of this MOLLE pouch over here. Perfect one, really good gift as well. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, see you soon.